Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SashaWnNa. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. So at this moment, it has been about a week since I filmed this hair tutorial and I am absolutely loving this hairstyle. As you can see, it looks like butterfly locks, but also we have that goddess twist to it. So I'm going to call it the butterfly goddess locks. Why not? So before we get into this tutorial, please ensure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss a video upload. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. So before any protective style, I always ensure that my hair is clarified and that it is deep conditioned so that it is ready. So my hair is definitely ready. I clipped to the ends, so I did a video on that, so you can check it right up here. You can check that video out just to see what I actually did. So this is the hair that I'm gonna be using for my faux lock. Use this hair about 2 times to do passion twists, and look at it. It is still so good, so fluffy. I had to wash it of course, and yeah. So you see, I'm about to benefit from this hair 3 times. So because the technique I'm going to be doing is the crochet method, I'm going to have to plait my hair into these sections before I add the braid. So I'm going to start off to this side. And I'm just going to pull out this braid, comb this out a bit. So I'm just spraying some more leave-in conditioner. I'm using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey. Yeah. So I'm just combing that into the hair. So this side in itself has 2 faux locks, so I'm gonna split that in 2. Then I'm gonna take my Blue Magic Indian hemp oil. This is gonna help to seal the moisture within my hair, and then I'm just gonna plait that. So I'm not going to plait it all the way down since the hair is going to be wrapped. So this is how it will look. And this is how my hair is looking. Can you see the moisture? So I do have a lot of plaits, probably about 30. So we're definitely going to have to make this hair work. Like I said, I'd use the hair to do some passion twists. So I have about 3 here. 3 of the strands together, thereabout. Yeah, this tutorial I'm gonna be using 2 strands for the faux lock. I usually start my hair at the back, but for tutorial purposes I'm gonna be showing you guys what I actually do. So I'm gonna start from the front. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin just to pin this hair up like this, and then we're gonna start off with this small section here. I'm just gonna push this in the hair, lash this on. Then I'm going to close this here and then I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to hold one end, push the other end through, and this is how it's looking. So because this faux lock is going to be basically goddess locks, so we're going to leave this end out and we're going to wrap this here with this piece. So we don't want it to be the same length. As you can see, this side that we're using to wrap the hair is much longer than this side. So I'm going to start the process by putting my hair and the piece that I'm going to be wrapping together, and then I'm going to be taking this hair and I'm going to wrap around my hair at the roots a couple times, and then I'm going to start carrying this around this hair, the shorter piece. So I'm slowly wrapping this around just to ensure that my actual hair is also being wrapped. So as you can see, my natural hair is right here. I'm trying to ensure that it is held inside the wrap. I said, we are going to be doing a goddess lock look. So this is the end of my hair. So this piece, I'm going to ensure that it's wrapped around fully, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and split this in two. It's a little bit hard and knotted, but yeah, we got that. Basically just gonna tie it like this, pull it together, and then we're just gonna blend that piece with this piece here, and there we go. So guys, I'm gonna go off camera just to complete majority of my hair. I'll be right back. After about 3 hours, this is how my hair is looking. Very distressed. The faux locks, very curly, and I'm actually liking this. This is not how I actually expected it to turn out, but I actually like this. So I have about 3 left, so I'm going to be completing this on camera. Guys, my hair is finally done. I'm gonna add my black castor oil with lavender oil mixture onto my scalp. Where's it going, my baby house? Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, ensure to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and comment and let me know what you think if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. I really want to know. And as always, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.